Hello, I'm going to be opening up a card pack. Just one, because I only have 2,500 right now, and I don't expect to get enough for later. So I'm not going to do a big card opening this week. Just today. I will open one. Let's hope for one of those stars of the week. That Kovalchuk would be beautiful. Close my eyes here. Don't even know. Oh, looks like I got Philadelphia. Oh, not that great unless one of those training cards are good. Hunwick. 6 games, +5 hand, 12 games. Ooh, a Jovanovski. Cool. Arm injury, 2 games. Muller. McMaster, I've heard of him before. Yeah, I've heard of this guy. +4 checking. Coach Kraus, I think it's pronounced. 8 games, +4 hand, +9 skate, not bad. 6 games, +4 shot. Thompson. Tardif, 6 games, +2 all. That's what I mean. That's what I'm talking about. Draxinger, 9 games, and Jonas Enroth. I swear this guy's familiar. So I'll keep all these guys. Always sell the +5s. Sell the skate. And put that in my trade pile as well. And then start discarding the rest. Actually, what I do to save time, send all to the collection, then all the duplicates and these training cards I don't need. Oh, I already have this guy, do I? Yep. Look at this. Trying to go for 1,000 players before NHL 13. Discard the rest. And I will put the others cards up for sale. I think I might open up one more later because those cards are enough to make me some money. So thanks for watching, and I'll upload one later if I get enough. Thanks.